wood gets crafted for a desire. The desire of having furniture that gets its aesthetics by its artistic blend of shape and color. Besides, quality defines its life. Look no further than Aadhya Modular Interiors, which is the one-stop solution for all your interior deco needs. Aadhya's motto reflects on delivering its customers maximum quality with limited cost. Aadhya Modular Interiors has its own factory where every plywood is hand-picked, meeting all the industry standards. The factory is capable of lamination with hot or cold pressing to get the desired shape, edge blending and drilling for getting the ultimate finishing on the product. The end product gets assembled at the project site. Aadhya Modular Interiors gives 10 years of warranties for all home and office deco solutions. We are located near Kanakpura Road.